Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by melting 2 tablespoons butter with 1 tablespoon oil in a heavy pot over medium heat. This prevents butter burning while building flavor. Add 1 diced onion and sauté until translucent, stirring occasionally so it softens evenly. Once the onion is soft, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook briefly until fragrant, about 30 seconds to a minute, so the garlic blooms without browning. Now you're primed to add potatoes and liquid for the next stage. Add 4 cups peeled, diced potatoes and 3 cups of stock to the pot, then bring to a gentle simmer. This extraction builds body and flavor. Once potatoes are fork tender after 15-20 minutes, reserve 1 cup of cooked potato chunks, then partially mash or use an immersion blender in the pot to create a thick, velvety texture while keeping some chunks for bite. Stir in 1 cup milk, taste for seasoning, and make sure the consistency is soup-like, not gluey. Adjust with more stock or milk as needed. Finish by gently stirring the reserved potato chunks back into the pot and adding 1 teaspoon salt plus black pepper to taste. This preserves texture and seasoning contrast. Warm through on low heat so dairy integrates without separating, then ladle into bowls and garnish with chopped chives, crispy bacon, or shredded cheese for brightness and crunch. If the soup is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If grainy or split, whisk in a splash of cold milk off the heat to smooth, and rescue the texture before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.